Hello everyone, and moving forward to the next one in which we'll learn how to make this one. We'll take the help of these really beautiful leaves and then we'll create some trees or really beautiful looking tree out of this leaf which looks really awesome, and we'll create the trunk and then we'll add some crashed leaves or crushed leaves to make the land on which the tree is there, and we'll also add some ants and clouds in the background. Moving forward to the next one in which we'll use some paper which are firstly cutted in the shape of a t-shirt which is really long or a sweater, and then we'll add some clay balls onto that sweater to make it look more beautiful, and then we'll follow the steps as shown step by step to make it. Moving forward to the next one in which we'll learn how to make this easy drawing. We'll first create a beautiful drawing of this branch who has really beautiful flowers, and then we'll learn to make these cute cartoons which looks really awesome and beautiful which are hanging on the branch. Thank you for watching the video.